Found an FCTOLR file in your AutoCAD working directory. These are temporary files created during normal AutoCAD operation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these AutoCAD temporary files safely. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken FC. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. FCR files are temporary working files created by AutoCAD during drawing operations such as autosave background processing or command execution. They contain partial drawing data, intermediate calculations, or session-specific information that AutoCAD uses internally and typically deletes when the application closes properly. AutoCAD FC. Temporary files use a binary format similar to compressed DWG drawing data. They are not intended for direct user access and may contain incomplete drawing information. The $ in the extension indicates temporary status following AutoCAD's convention for working files separate from final saved drawings. The fundamental reading standard for FCO is set by AutoCAD from Autodesk. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows treats temp files as expendable, and they can be removed when space is needed. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the FC$ file and click Open With. Test AutoCAD first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If your FC$ file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If your FC$ file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, letting AutoCAD manage files. Allow AutoCAD to manage FC$ files automatically. These files are created and removed during normal application operation. Avoid manually opening or modifying FC$ files since they contain incomplete or in-progress data that may not represent valid drawing states for editing or viewing purposes. Next, recovering from crash sessions. If AutoCAD crashed leaving FC$ files behind, launch AutoCAD again to trigger drawing recovery. The Drawing Recovery Manager opens automatically, displaying available recovery files including FC$'s temporary data. Select the recovery option to restore work from the most recent intact recovery point before the crash. Finally, cleaning up stale files. For old FC$ files left over from AutoCAD sessions long past, it is safe to delete them when AutoCAD is not running. These stale temporary files consume disk space without serving any purpose. Close all AutoCAD instances first, then delete FC$ files from the working directory or use Windows Disk Cleanup. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.